Hey guys, in this sequel, we continue our series by solving minimum and maximum total in an array problem. Before we get started, keep in mind that mastering the steps is a crucial. Okay, let's get started by reading the description. Given 5 positive integers, find the minimum and maximum values that can be calculated by summing exactly 4 of the 5 integers. Then, print the respective minimum and maximum values as a single line of two space-separated long integers. Okay, I think that is totally clear, but let me elaborate. We are given an array with 5 positive numbers. What we need is that returns the highest and the lowest total. To do this, you should choose only 4 numbers of that array. Okay, let's have a look on some examples. Imagine we had an array that contains 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. The return should be like this: 16 as the lowest number and 24 as the highest number. Okay, can you guess why we got this result? Okay, clearly we are getting 16 because we are getting rid of the highest number in that array, which is number 9. And in a 24, we are getting rid of the lowest number in that array, which is number 1. Okay, so that explains why we got this result. Okay, let's see another example. Imagine we have an array that contains 7, 70, 2, 221, and 8974. So the return should be 300 as the lowest number and 9272 as the highest number. Okay, first I'm going to create a variable to get the total sum in the array. So I'll call it total sum, and then I'm going to get the sum in the array. But first, I want to convert each element in the array to long type before performing the operation. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to create a variable. I will call it lowest number, and then I'm going to get the total sum minus the highest value in the array. So array.maximum value, or max. Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to create another variable. I'll call it highest value, or highest number. I'm also getting the total sum minus the minimum number in the array. So array.minimum. That's good. Okay, let's try to print our result in the console. Okay, console.writeLine. Okay, now we need to print the two numbers in a two space separated between them. Okay, lowest number, then we need to add the space. After that, we need to add the highest number. Okay, we are all set. Let's try to run our code and see what have we done so far. Okay, that's good. Here's the input, here is my output, and here is the expected output. That's good. Let's see test case 1. Okay, my output, expected output, that's all good. Let's try to submit our code and see what we have done. Okay, we still case 8. Okay, that's great. That's totally great. We are done. Today's episode, we solve the minimum and maximum problem. So stay tuned for the upcoming video and keep practicing to never lose your skills.